As you guys all know by this time, trimmer is one of the most important equipment or tool you should be having with you in order to up your grooming game. Not only it can help you keeping your beard game strong, but also it can help you with the haircut as well as nose trimming and also for the other rituals. What's up my stylish people, this is Shashank. Welcome back to this channel. Today's video is all about finding the best trimmer for you guys. I got you guys covered with 5 different options from different brands, and at the end of the video I'm gonna show my personal favorite as well, and all of these trimmers are available on Amazon at discounted price points, so make sure that you check the links in the description below. When it comes to finding the best trimmer, I would consider few key points. Number 1, the type of blade or the sharpness of the blade and how long it can maintain its sharpness. Number 2, the battery as well as the charge times, and I would prefer a trimmer which have at least 1 hour of battery usage, because most of the trimmers you are gonna find on this list are the cordless trimmers. Number 3, lens settings. I mean the options it have in terms of the overall lens settings. Number 4, I would consider it would be the extras, means in terms of the nose clips, in terms of the hair clips, the number of clips you are gonna get. So first up on the list, it is a Philips BT1212 trimmer. It is priced very competitively at a price point of $897 at the time of recording this video. So what exactly are the advantages when it comes to this trimmer? Of course, one, these self-sharpened stainless steel blades, and the second would be skin-friendly performance, and the third would be USB charging. Please do note that most of the trimmers which have the USB charging, they don't provide the adapter. However, I can see 2 drawbacks here. One would be the battery life. Here you can get only 30 minutes of battery life. Yes, it may not be a problem for most of you guys, but for a cordless trimmer, and that too when you're spending close to 1000 to 1200 rupees, I expect at least an hour of battery life, which unfortunately for this trimmer, it's not the case. And number 2, options when it comes to lens settings. You only get 3 clippers. I don't think so those are good enough when it comes to lens setting. Having said that, moving on to the next price point, that is at 999 rupees, and this is a brand called MI. This is a MI cordless waterproof beard trimmer with 20 lens settings. As per the reviews from Amazon, this is one of the best seller when it comes to the trimmer, and I can see the reason behind that. And I also have this trimmer with me and I use this on a regular basis. You get 20 lens settings. Absolutely, they nailed it when it comes to the battery life for this particular trimmer. It easily gives me somewhere around 50 to 70 minutes. So whatever they are claiming, it comes close to that. The overall grip for this trimmer is also very good. Not only this trimmer have good battery life, but also it do have quick charge capabilities. And as I mentioned earlier, it's a waterproof trimmer. When it comes to drawback, when you are using this trimmer more than 10 minutes, the blades tend to get hot. Next up on the list, it is a trimmer from Nova. It is a NG1150 cordless rechargeable multi-grooming trimmer with a battery life of 60 minutes. If you ask me, is Nova a better brand compared to Philips or MI? My answer would be no. But why I have included that in the first case? Because as a package for 1300 to 1500, you are gonna get more value for what you pay. Yes, the longevity is not going to be as good as the Philips or MI. At that point of time, the number of options you are getting in terms of the different clippers or in terms of the battery life, everything you're gonna get more at a price point of 1350 to 1500. That is the reason I have included Nova trimmer in this list. In case if you want a high quality trimmer without all these extra clippers, I would easily suggest you guys to go with the Philips options. In case if you're on the market to purchase individual trimmers for mustache or nose and also for the body as well as beard, this trimmer can help you get all in one package. When it comes to the blades, it is also having stainless steel blades. When it comes to the lens settings, they have 12 lens settings, not as much as MI, but certainly more than the Philips one. In case if you are in the market for both shaver as well as trimmer, this one blade trimmer from Philips can solve that problem. It is certainly a hybrid, but it is not exactly a great one to start with. Means it's not a great shaver, neither a great trimmer. And the major drawback I would see for this trimmer, because it's not a rechargeable one and you definitely need batteries. But nevertheless, it comes with unique one blade technology that can help you give precision trimming as well as shaving. But because of how narrow it is, definitely it's going to be time taking, and you would need to replace these blades on a timely basis, and trust me, they are not cheap to start with. That takes me to the trimmer number 5 for this video, and my personal favorite and the one which I use most of the times. This is Philips Multi-Groomer MG7715/15. It's the model number. Before going into the advantages as well as the drawbacks, there is one point you would need to remember. This particular trimmer from Philips, it's not exactly a recent release. It was there since last 2 to 3 years. So in case if you want to pick up any of the recent releases from trimmer, this may not be the trimmer for you. So let us start why it's my favorite. Because of the number of tools you can get with this trimmer for ultimate styling as well as precision. You do get 13 tools with this trimmer. I charge this trimmer maybe monthly once. That's how good the battery life it is. It do have up to 120 minutes of battery life. It also have the double sharpened steel blades that can help the trimmer on a longer run. And on top of that, when it comes to warranty, all the other trimmers have 2 years of warranty. This particular one have 3 years of warranty. For that extra additional warranty, you need to register on Philips website. Along with this, with the clippers you get, all your hair trimming needs at home are covered with this trimmer. With the multiple number of clippers you get along with this trimmer, it can help you trim your beard, it can help you trim your hair and also the nose hair and then body hair as well. That's how versatile this trimmer is. But the caveat for this trimmer would be the higher price points. This is priced close to 4,000 rupees. But in case if you want a long lasting trimmer with all the capabilities of the Nova trimmer, means the number of length settings, the number of options when it comes to the different clippers, I think this is the best trimmer you can get at these price points. It's a all-rounder trimmer which can't be bettered. That's it for this video. These are the 5 best trimmers at different price points available at this point of time while shooting this video. I hope this video certainly helped you in finding the right trimmer. If you did so, don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to turn on the post notification bell. See you in my next one.